Hello, Springy back. Another sticker for the base. Andy Mechanic, who's from the UK, but he's in New Zealand. Really good channel, check him out. Lots of car stuff, bit of bike stuff, lots of stuff on diagnostics, picoscope, and just general mechanickery. So, cheers Andy. This one's going on there. I've trimmed it down a bit to get it into space. In a minute I'm going to find out if this is a white background or if it's clear with these on. Either way, it will sit there with Del Boy, Marty, Mackie and Dave. So here goes. There you go, that fits quite well. So I shall carry on looking. Want to get a TMF, the Missenden Flyer one, there or there. So I'll have to sort that one out. Let's stick it up that way. Rightio. Cheers. I'm Springy. Peace and love.